Morning, day 2. Stayed up so late. Did the skin meticulously so I didn't have to flesh the skin. So I'm gonna keep it. So I'm pretty buggered. And then I just spent like 45 minutes looking for my binos, and I know exactly where they are. They're gonna be down sitting near the guts of that deer. So yeah, it's daylight, so I'm just kind of pin walking it till I get my binos and rangefinder. I'm gonna drop down the valley and have a little look for maybe 2 hours, and then I'll get back and start processing that deer. Yeah, later. Need this now. Oh, I'm a bit stuffed up. I hardly slept dealing with that deer. And I've got hay fever. All the pines here are just, you can see them breathing in the wind in the morning. This tree's just releasing all its pollen. It's like breathing, it's not smoke. See, look there. Oh, it's so wild. So crazy. There's like a little bit of wind, so maybe it's just the wind hitting the pollen. And they're just causing me havoc. I've only ever got it once in New Zealand. It's not good, it's so frustrating. I might even drive to town today and get some tablets. Anyway, it's like 5:40. I'm gonna drop down in the valley, get on the floor and see if I can see some from a distance and put a stalk on. Ridge just here. Just sneaking up so I can get on top and sit there, and I'll be able to look through the gully, see if anything's moving along. So I've just slowed right down. Hey, little fella. Where are the deer? Tell me your secrets. It's starting to get pretty thick in here. There's no good shooting lane, so I'm gonna like push through a bit, and hopefully once it opens up, I'll go there. This guy just scared the shit out of me. I know it's here. I'll leave you alone. See you, mate. Alright, it's 2:30. It's real quiet this morning. I bumped one doe early on. I didn't see her, so it doesn't even count. I saw nothing. I went to some new areas on the property which were pretty rad that I've never been to. They were like covered in deer shit, and there was heaps of like big boar scats. So it's really difficult kind of country. Like you have to be pretty much have a knocked arrow at all time in there to like be successful. But yeah, I had a little crack. When I was down there, I saw all these small saplings had just been obliterated, like just smashed. And it's more trees like this. That thin one over there, like these guys. The fallow deer do it at another property I go to, but the chittles don't seem to be hitting those. And then I was just talking to my mate, and I've heard one rooster stag on this property, and I heard it 2 hills over, whereas he heard it down here near where I shot my that buck the other day, but obviously it had no antlers, but good sized chiddle deer. So I'm going back down there. Yeah, I had a look, and in where I was coming through, there was just saplings just smashed to pieces. The wind's coming this way, so I'm going to go down pretty much to the road actually of this property, and then sneak in behind and just do a little arbor hunt there, see if I can find him bedded up, and then yeah, with that wind slide over to the other side and then work my way back. But by then it would have changed. So first plan is to go down here, look for my arrow from the other day, try and see this rooster stag, have a bit more of a look where his home is anyway. I was kind of in there disturbing it before, so he probably would have got bumped. But look at this. That's fresh from when I walked home before. So the deer are already out. It's funny, I swear, when you're hunting and you're sitting there and you're like, oh, it's probably got enough energy to go out again. I reckon that's pretty much the time the animals start moving too. They've had their sleep, they've got some energy, and they head out. Alright, enough of me talking, it's boring. I try and just share little things I've learned. I suck at bow hunting, like I'm shit. But there's little tiny things that each time you fuck up, you slowly start learning and stuff gets a little bit easier. Or not easier, you can learn from the situations. It's all about right time, right place, and then how you make your play. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but for me, just having that confidence the other day just to take, I always try and get to 30. For once I got to 40 clean, got the pins good, and with the new bow I was confident on like having the whack to like take an animal out. And that for me is just like, it's kind of mind-boggling because I've missed so much stuff just trying to get that last little bit. The little Kengi over here is about to freak out. Come on, mate, I'm not that disguised. There he goes. Alright, I'm going to shut the hell up because I'm getting closer and get into it. He's sick. There you go, fella. Not a stag, but he's fucking loaded with dogs. Look at them all. Fucking so many, I'm fucked. Big right there. So you get for filming. Kangaroo. There's like 3 of those little pigs there. There is this bush behind me is just dense and there's just big boar crap everywhere. But it's kind of gnarly because you're walking through like, yeah, there's just hidey holes everywhere, and you could only shoot it if it's like 2 meters in front of you, so you're asking for trouble. But keep a knife ready. I haven't had any bad experiences yet, but Yeah, a knife in your backpack ain't gonna do anything when you're on your back. Alright, this wind's pretty good, so I might just nick off over the other side now and actually try and hunt instead of just stomping around trying to stand on pigs. Try and go get a deer. Look at this. There's just pig rubs on every freaking tree, and I just was moving pretty quick, just trying to get over to get near where I thought the deer would be, and they all just ran out of here like 10 little does. I didn't even see the stag, but the fun. It's pretty fresh. It's gonna cruise that way. The wind's side on, so I don't really have any other choice. I'm just sitting in this valley. I've been moving pretty quick, so slowed down, having some sugar, and cruise up here. There's a bit of a valley through here. Cruise up and then, yeah, hook around the back edge of a bush. I've seen deer there like early morning before, so it's nice like this. It's like open wood, which at my other property I don't get, so it's so much easier to find like shooting lanes between the trees. Alright. Fucking should have taken the shot. Dumbass. 20 meters, why'd I even bother ranging? With that, it's raining, and that rain just hit as I was going to take that shot. It just started going wind the other way. Wind's been coming this way all freaking day. Oh, he's a good little boar. What? Look at this rain. Oh my god. This sport. I just stopped to eat. I was just behind that bush there. Come around, there's a boar feeding right here. And then as I like got an arrow out, I had to clip my, I've got like a opening blade, broadhead, I had to clip it back together. He got one sniff of me and started feeding again, and I just should have taken the shot. It was like 20 meters. I ranged him with 21. Idiot. Fuck. And as soon as I like put the arrow in, it started drizzling and the wind just went that way. It's been coming in my face the whole freaking day. Oh, that's so frustrating. Oh, this sport. I suppose if you had a gun, it would have been bold, and that's why I like it. Still, everything about it is difficult. When you get something, you deserve it. All the kangaroos are hiding in under the trees, and this happened the other morning. Was super quiet because once it rains like this, they just bunker down. So I'm drenched and I'm going home. Pretty devo, could have shot that ball like 20 minutes ago as this rain started. And just fucking rangefind when I never do. Like, I only just got a rangefinder and like it was clearly 20. I just, trying to be too careful. But yeah, pretty spewing about that. Would have been a sick end of the trip having a nice pig as well as the deer, but time to get out of this rain. The sun's just going down, so yeah, I think it's game over here. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Oh. There's hardly a cloud in the sky and it is just pissing down. Well, there goes the art of hunting. Smoked him. Going home. I've had enough. Couldn't cross the bloody creek. I just filmed myself in pouring rain. And I just saw this nice pig here. He's down. Oh, what a change of events. I wonder if my GoPro was on. Oh. Sweet, well, I'm gonna try and find this arrow because they're that expensive, and then yeah, go grab this pig. Ew. That just pouring rain, like I'm drenched. Blew the boar before going home. I'd had a good trip, and now look, rainbow. There's a pig down just here somewhere. There he is. Dead set. 2 minutes ago, pouring rain. Just got this nice pig. Good shot. Straight in through. It's pretty much a pass through. I just got the arrow there. It was just tagged in on the fletchers. Clean him up, get a photo, and then get the hell out of here. Well, persistence paid off with that one. I missed that good ball, like probably was only 200 metres that way. I went all the way out the back to like change with the wind, and then I was filming myself, which you'll see in the video. Just crazy rain, and then I went across the creek, took like 4 steps because it was too deep there, and looked, and this pig was just like feeding down towards me. I didn't range this one, I just got in under 20 and smoked it. So. Frothing, there's another one just here. I think there's a pig just walked up on me. But it's in the chair. Oh, still raining. Got the legs and the back straps. Whew. Trying to figure out how to get home.
Hey guys, if you can subscribe, that'd be epic. Day 3 is the next vid. Run into some goats, see some more cool stuff in the bush, and yeah, if you're enjoying these vids, chuck some comments down below. Tell me what you want to see. I love making these vids for myself, but it's cool to be able to share them and show friends and family and other random people that enjoy watching this stuff. It makes me want to get outdoors again, so I hope it does the same for you. There's plenty more to come, so subscribe and I'll see you then.